Alright, part 3. I've cleared out the, fridge, and it's time to scrub. So I got my bucket of water, and I got my sponge. Which is going to be a lot of work, so I'm probably have to set the camera down. Yeah, so just give me a minute. Holy shit, that's not like... Wow. Yuck. And Greg, when you say you have it hard, makes me laugh. I have a feeling the sponge is probably going to be no good by the time I'm done with it. Oh my god, yuck. Need better cleaning material. I was expecting that stuff to be all like, slimy. I mean, I was expecting it to be like, spilt sauce or something, but there's like brittle and shit in it, so... Something definitely. Also, we need a new fridge because this thing hasn't been like freezing food or storing food right. I've cleaned it. This makes like the second time I've cleaned it. Cleaned it like actually I cleaned it last month, which it still was giving us problems, but with everything going on, we haven't really been able to do anything about it. Whatever. Oh, hey. Let's probably stop the video. It's gonna take longer than I thought it would. All that scrubbing. Look at that. Yeah, that stuff there. That's like, I don't know, that's some sort of brittle or something. I don't even know what the fuck that stuff is from. But, yeah. It's all over the top there. You know, funny thing is, I looked in here I think it was beginning of this week, and there was some spoiled food in here. Yeah, but that stuff was not there, so I'm thinking that came from something more recently. Well, if I find anything that's brittly, then I'll know where it came from. I have to go over all this stuff too and find out what's good and what's bad. Checking aspiration date, checking the way it smells to make sure it didn't spoil and everything. And this video.